Hi everyone, I'm Ujjwal and you're watching DigitWise. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix on-screen keyboard showing on Mac login screen. So if a keyboard suddenly appears on Mac login screen, even though your physical keyboard is working perfectly, the accessibility keyboard feature most likely turned on. The feature is intended for the people who have difficulty using the physical keyboard, or maybe their physical keyboard is not working properly. So eventually it's a good feature for them, but if your keyboard is working perfectly and the accessibility keyboard is taking unnecessary space on the screen, turning it off is always a good idea. And to do so, then click on the Apple logo at the top and then choose system settings. Now go to lock screen from the left side pane and click on accessibility options. Now here make sure to disable the toggle right to accessibility keyboard if it is enabled, and finally click on done, and that's it. So if this video helps you in any way, then do like it and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.